Hi everyone, this is a video about fitting your mask and about replacing the filter if you've bought a mask from me with a filti filter. So one thing that I just found out from filti is that the fluffy side of your filter should go out away from your mouth. So when you are replacing the filter, make sure to hand wash it in between uses. The company says 5 to 8 times. Allow it to dry completely before you put it back in your mask. Make sure to wash your mask on delicate in the washing machine or hand wash it, and allow to air dry or dry completely on low tumble in the machine. It has wire in it, so handle it with care because you don't want the wire to poke through. It is made out of cotton. The filter is supposed to have 95% filtration, but it's also only supposed to be washed 5 to 8 times. So just keep that in mind. What I've been doing is spraying down my mask on both sides with isopropyl alcohol and then allowing to dry for 48 hours before I use it again. And that's been my solution so far. So when you are ready to put your filter back in or do a replacement filter, fold your filter with the fluffy side pointing away. Take your fingers and bring it through the mask. Take the filter up and through like so. And then use a finger to make sure that your filter is all the way flat inside the mask, laying flat and not bunchy whatsoever. Okay. A couple things about fit. Your mask should fit tightly. The elastic is probably not tightened to your head tightness, so re-tie the elastic to your tightness needs. The mask should fit snugly on your face, just like an N95 mask does. When you first put it on, grab both, tuck on your chin, take it all the way up and over. My preferred way of wearing a mask has been with a ponytail because I have long hair, so if you have a ponytail, it allows you to have something to rest the top elastic on. If you don't have a ponytail, that's okay. You can just put the top elastic up on the top of your head. So fit it, grab the top piece of elastic and stick it up on your head. Again, if you have a ponytail, that's kind of cool. Tighten the nose guard down. And then also spread out the sides like so that the mask lays flat and snug against your face, okay? When you need to adjust it, you can adjust here or using this strap, which is the preferred way, up and down like so. Will help you to touch your face as little as possible, okay? Let's see, anything else? A mask is not a replacement for social distancing. It is just another step in prevention of getting COVID. So I think that's everything I needed to say. Take care and stay safe. Bye.